Hello! This enchanting English lesson is designed to boost your listening and speaking skills through the magic of storytelling. Divided into 4 parts. 1. Story with subtitles. 2. Vocabulary and expressions. 3. Comprehension quiz. 4. Practice and repeat after me. Story with subtitles.
Emma was usually an organized, punctual girl. Every morning, she woke up early, made a warm cup of coffee, and took her time getting ready for work. But today was different. She overslept. Her alarm clock didn't go off, and when she finally opened her eyes, the sun was already shining brightly through the curtains. She gasped and jumped out of bed in panic. "Oh no, I'm late," she shouted, scrambling to find her clothes. She got dressed in a rush, nearly tripping over her shoes. In the kitchen, she poured herself a quick bowl of cereal, but in her haste, she spilled the milk all over the counter. "Great, just great," she muttered. With no time to clean it up, she grabbed her bag and dashed out the door. She got into her car, turned the key, and nothing happened. The engine coughed and sputtered, but refused to start. Her car had broken down. Emma groaned. She didn't have time to call a mechanic, so she locked the car and ran to the bus stop. Unfortunately, the bus was late. When it finally arrived, it was crowded and noisy. Emma squeezed in and held on tightly as it jolted through traffic. By the time she reached her office, she was 30 minutes late. Her boss gave her a disappointed look, and her coworkers were already busy with the morning meeting. Emma apologized and quietly took her seat, trying not to draw attention. But things didn't get better. Her computer froze several times. Her internet connection was slow. She accidentally sent an unfinished email to a client, and she even knocked over her coffee, spilling it all over some important documents. She felt frustrated, embarrassed, and completely overwhelmed. "This day is a disaster," she whispered to herself. At lunchtime, she sat alone on a bench outside the office. She took a deep breath and watched the clouds drift slowly across the sky. The fresh air helped her calm down. "You know what?" she thought. "It's okay to have a bad day. What matters is how I handle it." When she went back inside, she smiled at her coworkers, took a few moments to organize her desk, and focused on finishing her tasks, one by one. By the end of the day, her boss thanked her for handling a difficult situation with maturity and grace. That night, Emma made herself a warm dinner, lit a candle, and curled up with a good book. She reflected on the day, not as a failure, but as a challenge she had faced with courage. "Tomorrow," she whispered, "is a new beginning."
Interesting vocabulary and expression.
Punctual. Meaning always on time, not late. Example, Sarah is very punctual. She arrives at school 10 minutes early every day. Scramble. Meaning to move quickly and in a confused or rushed way. Example, she scrambled to find her keys before the bus left. Disappointed. Meaning feeling sad or let down because something did not happen as expected. Example, he was disappointed when it started raining on his birthday. Overwhelmed. Meaning feeling stressed or unable to handle something. Example, he felt overwhelmed with all the homework he had to finish before the weekend. Grace. Meaning calm and polite behavior even in tough situations. Example, despite the rude comments, Lena responded with grace and didn't argue back. Comprehension quiz. Why did Emma wake up late? A. She forgot to set her alarm. B. She was too tired. C. Her alarm clock didn't go off. D. Her cat woke her up late.
The right answer is C.
What happened when she tried to have breakfast? A. She made eggs. B. She burned the toast. C. She spilled milk all over the counter. D. She didn't eat anything.
The right answer is C.
How did Emma get to work after her car broke down? A. She rode a bike. B. She took the bus. C. She walked. D. A friend drove her.
The right answer is B.
What mistake did Emma make at work? A. She forgot her laptop. B. She sent an unfinished email. C. She missed an important call. D. She didn't show up to the meeting.
The right answer is B.
What helped Emma feel better at lunch? A. Talking to a friend. B. Taking a deep breath and watching the sky. C. Drinking more coffee. D. Calling her mum.
The right answer is B.
Practice and repeat after me. Oh no, I'm late! Emma shouted as she scrambled to find her clothes. Even though everything was going wrong, Emma stayed calm and kept trying. Her car sputtered and refused to start, which made her feel even more stressed. At lunchtime, Emma reminded herself that bad days happen, and that's okay. By the end of the day, she realized that facing challenges with courage is what really matters.
For more fascinating and exciting stories, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates.